Uh-oh. Doing an Ariana song.
I look up in the whole room's spinning. You take my cares away. I can so overcomplicate. People tell me to medicate. Feel my blood running, swear the sky's falling. How do I know this is fabricated? No, time goes by and I can't control my mind. Don't know what else to try, but you tell me every time to just keep breathing, 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 breathing. No, I gotta keep on breathing. Just keep breathing, 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 breathing. I know I gotta keep on breathing. Ooh, oh, feel my blood running, sweat, the sky's falling. No, time goes by and I can't control my mind. And I keep on breathing.
Hands on the body.
And I keep on breathing.
What is your name?
My name's David Vogel. I'm 23 years old, and I'm from Valhalla, New York.
Oh my God. That was so beautiful. I thought it was a really unique take. I love that you play an instrument too.
Absolutely, yeah.
It's a really smart thing to be able to take songs and make them your own like that. Because I know that song, and literally it took me a minute, and I was like, oh.
Yeah, Kelly, that's an Ariana song. That's one of the
No,
Ariana
I know,
songs.
Breathin. I was 100% not gonna turn around when she turned around, because I was like, well, no chance in hell. So I'm just excited for you. I think it's gonna be really cool.
Thank you so much, Kelly.
I loved your take on it. I love your tone. I love your style. I'm selfishly very happy that I waited till the last second because now you are mine and mine only. I'm very happy about this. I am so excited to hopefully go all the way to the end.
Thank you so much.
Welcome to Team Ari.